Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So when I got my JEE Mains percentile, I thought it would be very easy now because I just need to choose a college and then go and study there. But when I tried to do the research for the best possible college that I can get on my percentile, by the way, my percentile is 97.16 percentile if you don't know and you haven't watched the previous video. But when I tried searching the best college at this percentile, I found something really strange. There were videos that were telling about the best possible colleges that a person can get if he has a very good percentile like 99 plus or a very bad percentile, I guess below 90 or something like this. But there was very limited information on this particular bracket of percentile, that is, I can say around 95 to 97 percentile. And I found it really difficult to choose the right college because there was such limited option, and even limited if you have a branch preference. Cause I might have got some lower branches in some NITs, but I only wanted CSE branch, so I had very limited options, and definitely I was not going to get NIT CSE at this percentile, obviously. So I need to choose a college which would be best fit for me. So now let's first talk about the JOSA counseling. So let me tell you that JOSA counseling last round cutoffs have already been declared, and I have been allotted BIT Mesra EC branch. I would have also got triple IT quota EC branch. I would have preferred triple IT quota, but the branch is EC, and as I've told you, I only wanted CSE branch. So I'm not freezing the seat I have been allotted right now, and I have chosen a different college. So the college I've chosen is on three preferences. That is, first one is the distance from my house. Actually, I want to move out for college, but not so far that I can't even come back home in holidays. So I have kept the distance factor in my mind. Second is my branch preference. Obviously, there is a huge debate about branch versus college type, but for me, the priority is branch. So I have chosen CSE branch only. And the third priority is a decent college. Like, obviously, on my percentile, I can't expect NIT Trichy or Warangal. So I need a college that is decent and has a good coding culture. So the college I've chosen on these three preferences is LNMIIT Jaipur. And I have been allotted CSE branch in the first round, so I'm very happy about that. Now, talking about LNMIIT Jaipur, I have chosen it because I have compared it to a lot of colleges that I would have realistically get at my percentile. The lower branches of some NITs, the circuital branch of some triple ITs. But I have found out of all comparisons that the best I can get is LNIT CSE branch. Because first of all, the branch is CSE, the top branch. And obviously LNIT is a decent college with a strong coding culture and everything that I wanted from a college, at least at my percentile. For now, my college is finalized. I am going to LMNIT Jaipur and the reporting day is coming soon. But for the CSET rounds, as the last round of JOSA counseling, the triple IT quotas, AI and DE branch cutoffs went around 40K. So I'm waiting and hoping that in CSEB I might get that branch. And if I get that branch, I will definitely go to triple IT quota. And then I'll shift from LMNIT Jaipur to that college. And that will be future updates. So stay tuned. And you can follow me on Insta if you want the daily college updates or some mini vlogs that I'm going to record when I will go to Jaipur, obviously. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.